A University of Virginia student bought bottled water, ice cream, and cookie dough for a sorority fundraiser. Seems harmless, right? Well, according to the 20-year-old, 7 Alcoholic Beverage Control agents thought otherwise, and she spent the night in jail. Hey, I'm Gillian on Buzz 60. The Daily Progress reports that the student says the plainclothes agents approached her and her roommates by jumping on the hood of her car, pulling a gun on the girls, and trying to break the car's windows. Apparently, the officers mistook the case of LaCroix sparkling water for a case of beer. And that's a totally normal reaction to suspected underage drinking. The student's written statement says she and her friends were terrified because the officers had unidentifiable badges and weren't wearing uniforms. According to the police report, the woman sped out of the parking lot and grazed 2 ABC officers, landing her in jail on 3 felony charges. The Alcoholic Beverage Control Department released a statement saying that the student refused to cooperate, adding, rather than comply with the officer's requests, the subject drove off, striking 2 officers. All charges were eventually dropped, and the ABC says the matter is under review, and it takes all citizen complaints seriously. Good thing she didn't get one of the big bottles. Who knows what these guys would have done if they thought she had a keg. Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.